How to Add Fractions by Kate
and Karina. Now we're going to start adding fractions. So we're going to start out with an easy problem, or easier, should I say. So how about 1/3 plus 1/3? How's that sound, Kate?
Good. Since both fractions have the same denominator,
Both fractions, these two, have the same denominator, 3 and 3.
we can start adding right away. The two top numbers are 1 and 1.
1 and 1.
And those two numbers are the ones that we can add. So, 1 plus 1, 2, right?
Of course. Simple addition, kindergarten.
So now, after
JK.
those two numbers, you put your denominator under the 2. And make sure to put a line on top of the 3. Now, you have your answer, 2/3.
Now we're going to do a slightly harder problem. How about 3/5 plus 2/3? That sounds good. So now we have to find the common denominator for these two numbers, because these two numbers have to be the same so that we can start adding. So we're going to make what's called a factor bush. You're going to put little lines from each of the denominators, like so. And you're going to run through your multiplication facts. So like 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5. Oh, okay. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. So now we're going to do find the little 10, 15, 20, like what we did for the 5 for the 3. So let's do 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 3 times 3,
9,
3 times 4,
20,
3 times 4,
12,
3 times 5,
15,
3 times 6.
18.
Good. So now we're going to see if we found some of the numbers that are the same. So 10 and 6, no. 15 and 9, no. 20 and 15. Wait, there's two 15s. 15 on the 5 and 15 with the 3. So we're going to use those two numbers. So hold on, people. What we're going to do is we're going to delete all those numbers that we did, like here too. And we are going to erase, or we can actually cross out the 5 and the 3 and change those into 15s. Now, 5 times 3 equals 15. So we're going to do 3 times 3, which would be 9, because we have this 5 here, and 5 times 3 equals 15. So we're going to change this into 9. And then 3 times 5 equals 15. So we're going to do 5 and multiply this by 5. And then you'll get 10. So then what you have to do is, you're going to start adding. So 9 plus 10 equals 19. So you put 19 and then you put that over a line. And then you put the denominator, the 15, under that line. So you have your answer, which is 19 15ths. So that is what we call an improper fraction. So what we have to do is see how many 15s can go into 19. How many 15s can go into 19?
I know.
Go.
1.
Good. So 1. So 15 times 1 equals 15. So you have to do 19 minus 15, which would be 4. So you would put this, so you have to do 1 and 4/15. And then that is called a mixed number. That's our last problem for adding fractions. Thanks for watching.